Alright, welcome back. So I'm Tavleen from Excel Plugins, and right now we're discussing the rule builder. Now rule builder basically gives you a set of different rule conditions to customize your campaigns. So what this essentially means is that let's say you want to set up a store-wide campaign on all products across the store. Well, you can use rule builder to say always, and that particular campaign will run on all products across the store. You could also choose to run it on a specific category or on certain hand-picked products. So a lot of different rule conditions allow you to customize your promotions and run it based on how you want, right? Based on your requirements. So let's get started with the very first rule, which is the default rule, and it is always, right? So always, as the name suggests, it allows you to run your campaign on all products across the store. Then in page, under page, you've got a few options. Now these are actually particularly for the sticky header and sticky footer elements. If you want to set up the sticky header or the sticky footer on front page alone, that is when you will select front page, right? Then you can select pages, and those elements will then be visible on specific pages that you select from here, right? So it could be checkout. You could also say that when the page is not. So you set up the sticky header or the footer as in the elements tab, and then you say when the pages are not cart and checkout. So I want to show it on all products across the store, but only when the pages are not cart, are cart and checkout, I do not want to show the elements, right? Then product category pages. Now product category, you're allowed to define the product category here, right? So you can select the product category from here. Each of these categories have their own pages, so you can select the product category pages from here, right? And the sticky header and footer will be then visible on the selected product category pages. Product tag pages, now again you can enter the tags here. Each tag has its own page, so you can now then restrict the elements visibility, the sticky header footers visibility to certain product tags pages, right? Then you've got the option for single products. So now all products, it means that you want to run your campaign on all products across the store, which is where you select all products, and that's it. When you select products, you're allowed to enter the specific products where you would like to set up the campaign. So let me show you an example. So you simply have to start typing the product names and it will pick it up on its own, right? So you can set up a discount. Let's say you're offering a 5% discount only on hand-picked products. Well, then you can set up the products from here and select those certain products. It could also be a case that you want to set up a custom message, which is in the elements tab, and you want to inform people about the ongoing offer. So you want to set up custom text and you want to inform people that there's a 5% discount on this product alone, right? On certain hand-picked products, and this product is one of them. So then that custom text configured here will only appear on those products, right? Similarly, the discount will also be only set on these products which you've chosen from the rule builder. Product type, you've got 4 product types here: external, grouped, variable, simple and variable. So you can choose the product type. Again, you have the option to define the product type in native WooCommerce. Then product category, so let's say you want to run a campaign on all products of a certain category, right? Then you can select specific categories, just start typing and it will start showing you the name of the categories that you already have in your WooCommerce store. You could also exempt certain categories from the discount or from the campaign, right? So you can say is not. Then, well, if you have applied a discount, then these categories will get exempted from the discount, right? From the selected discount in this campaign. The discount will not be applied to all the products of these chosen categories, right? You could also say product tags. Just choose these tags and it's going to pick products based on that, right? So you can choose specific tags and enter them here, and well, it's just going to pick those tags, and the campaign will then be displayed on products which share these tags, right? Share the tags that you've entered. Then you've got product price. So you could say that run this particular campaign or offer this discount on products which are priced, let's say greater than $50, right? In addition, you can use and option, and you can say where the product price is is less than $100. So this means that all the products which are priced, which are in the price range between $50 and $100 will then get, that is where this discount will then get applied, right? So all products priced between $50 and $100, right? Now, in addition to that, you might say that I want to do that, but I want to do it, I want to restrict this to only a specific category. Well, then you can always click on add and select the product category, right? So now what will happen is that all the products in the albums category which are priced greater than $50 and under $100, that is where this campaign will be set up, right? That is where this discount will then get applied. I will also show you the application of OR in just a moment. Let's move on to the next rule, which is sales status. So all products which are on sale. Now, how does it define products which are on sale? Basically, when you edit a product, you have the option to enter the sale price and the regular price, right? So all products which are on sale means products which have a valid sale price, right? So let's say the original price, the regular price of the product is $39, but the sale price it is of $30. So that product qualifies as a product on sale, right? So that is how you can apply a campaign only on products which are on sale. Then stock status. So stock status, let's say you want to exempt all the products which are out of stock from a specific campaign, right? So you can say that when the stock status is in stock, right, the campaign will then run only on products which are in stock, right, or is not out of stock, right? So products which are out of stock will then get exempted from the specific campaign that you are setting up. Stock quantity, maybe you want to show a counter bar on only products which are which have a stock quantity less than 10 units, right? So you've got products which have stock quantity 50 units or 50 units, 100 units, but you do not want to show a counter bar for those products. You only want to restrict it to products which have a stock quantity of 10 units, right? So you can always go ahead and do that. You can specifically select stock quantity from the rule builder here, and then that specific campaign will only run on products with the stock quantity that you enter. The next one is geography. Within that, you've got country. Now you can select the country where you would like to run the campaign. So let's say you want to run a free shipping campaign only for people in the US. You can say US based free shipping, right? So you want the sticky header with the coupon code for free shipping to only be visible to visitors coming from the States. So then you can restrict your campaign to US alone, and no people coming from different countries other than US will not be able to see that element. That campaign will not be running for them, right? You can also apply a discount to only people coming from the States, right? The next option is of date time. So date time, well, you can say when maybe you're running a weekend special offer. So when the day is Sunday or when the day is Saturday, right? So what you're essentially doing is you're running a weekend special offer, and when any of these two conditions hold true, which is when the day is Sunday or Saturday, you want the campaign to run, right? Now, just notice carefully that we've not chosen and here, because these two conditions together can never be true. So there cannot be a Sunday and Saturday both together, right? There will either be a Sunday or a Saturday. So if you're running a weekend special offer, you got to use or, and you got to separate the two rules with or, right? And is applicable when you want this to be in conjunction, right? So when the day is Sunday or Saturday, and when the category is let's say alarm clocks, right? So then this is what is going to happen, that the category needs to be alarm clocks, period. And now the campaign will run only on a Sunday or a Saturday, right? So that is how these conditions work. Extremely intuitive and very useful as well. Similarly, you can choose to define the date and time. Then within membership, you've got two options, user and role. So let's say that you want to run campaign for people only who are users. So they need to be logged in users at that point of time to be able to see that discount, right? So you want to offer a loyalty discount only to who have an account, who hold an account with your store. Then you can specify specific users, and offer them special discounts, right? So that is a possibility as well. Finally, role. You can define the role to run special campaigns for people with a special role. So maybe you could define your wholesaler as a role, and you could offer them products at the wholesaler price, right, with special discount. Otherwise, shop manager, customer subscriber, all of these could be roles, right? So these were different rule conditions in Rule Builders. It obviously takes finale campaigns to another level, and it definitely opens a world of opportunities, and this world is most certainly monster sized.